Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get medium porosity hair. This hair type is truly the sweet spot, offering a perfect balance of moisture absorption and retention. It means your hair cuticles are neither too tightly closed nor too widely open, allowing for optimal health and manageability. You'll find your hair responds beautifully to most products and styling, making your routine much simpler and more effective. To understand your hair's current state, try a simple float test. Take a clean, product-free strand of hair and drop it into a glass of water. If it floats, you have low porosity. If it sinks quickly, it's high porosity. But if it slowly drifts to the middle, congratulations, you likely have medium porosity hair, which is our goal. If your hair has low porosity, the goal is to gently encourage your cuticles to open a bit more. Start by using clarifying shampoos to remove any buildup. When deep conditioning, apply a little heat, perhaps with a warm towel, to help products penetrate. Also, incorporate lightweight oils such as argan or jojoba. Always rinse with lukewarm water to aid in cuticle opening. For those with high porosity, the focus is on strengthening and sealing your hair's open cuticles. Regular protein treatments are key to filling in those gaps. After moisturizing, seal everything in with heavier butters and oils, like shea butter or castor oil, to lock in hydration. Always rinse your hair with cool water to help flatten the cuticles. Also, minimize heat styling and chemical processes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.